Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back here today to plan, and my God is preparing you for greater things. This is my Illustrated Faith planner that I use for menu planning. So anyways, I do want to say something. For you guys, for you guys that do the coil, planners, please make the option that people can buy it without it being punched and bound, because it eats up too much space to go get it cut and then re-punch it and put it in another. But Lime Life was super great to work with. They literally gave me everything completely unpunched. They were super great about it, and I punched it and put it in the system I wanted, whether that be a ring bound or a disc bound or whatever it is. I know you can go through here and wrap this with ribbon, but if you're like me, you know all those things, but it just isn't happening. And it's not happening for me. I mean, I can already see it's just not happening. So I'm just really kind of busy with the different things I'm doing. I wondered if this punches out. Does it? No. Okay. Alright guys, well, let's get to planning. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying, could we please come up with something better? So, alright guys, so here we are. I am back in this particular planner. I am not going to use the cookbooks this week because it is a very, that got caught in the wrong place. I'll have to take that off later. Very busy week for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have fun. I love these. I got these on clearance at Target a long time ago. I want to think that they're AC American Craft, but I'm not 100% sure. But always go to the craft section. Always go look for things that are on sale. Okay, just FYI. So, alright, I thought I would do like this is going to be for my water. I thought I would just do like check marks, my water and my plexus. I am back on my plexus pink drink. My arthritis decided to be not my friend here in the last month or two, and I literally was working on something. I was taking up our vitamins for the week, and I almost couldn't stand up afterwards. And I thought, okay, it's time to get on things that I know that there have no reason except for it's just full of nutrients. Why it is having arthritis, but it is. So, and it's flavored with stevia or stevia, however you say it. And so it's, low or no calories, I can't remember, but full of good vitamins. And another thing it helps me do is get a good night's rest. And last night I couldn't go to sleep till 4 something in the morning, and I knew then that was not going to be a good thing, because then it just messes up you the next day and then the next night. So anyways, and I let myself like wake up and go back to sleep today because I knew I needed to. But anyways, so here we are. So I'm going to put all these down. These will be for my waters, and I'm just going to, like check them off and know that I've gotten, X amount of waters in per day. I'm going to put one down here for Saturday, and then one for Sunday. I am really bad about getting water in. I can usually get in like 20 to 30 some odd ounces a day, which is not the recommended amount. So I have to pay attention to that. I've been working really hard to up my autoimmune, so I've been drinking a lot of like kombucha and green tea and things like that. So, and then just started back on my plexus, so I just have to remember, and I am going to just put this right here, so I will remember a plexus every day, and just take care of that. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having good days. It is hot down here, but in the words of my husband, hot is better any day for us than being in the snow, shoveling it, and all that kind of good stuff. We've done that, and we're heat spoiled, so we like it warm. And my husband, no matter how hot it is, he's always outside piddling. Right now he's outside with our son and working on their car, and I don't know what else he's doing, but anyways, he loaned him a bunch of equipment, so tools and things, so he was bringing them back by. And I think I mean, I could go buy, but there's already these banners on every day. I don't want to add that. I think that's all I really want to do. I do know on probably this day, I will need to redo our vitamins, and I want to put that there so I remember. And then I'm going to plan ahead for the next week. So yeah, I will be back. So I'm going to put that there and put those in the back. So as you guys know who follow my channel, I literally just put, you know, letters for breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and snack. Yes, I plan snacks. People always say, why do you plan snacks? Because if you don't, and because we're vegetarian, vegan, we get hungry sometimes quicker, I would think, than others. So I need to plan things. And my husband and I were talking today, and we need to start, you know, back on our juicing. We keep saying we're going to, and we just haven't. And yeah, it's just something we need to make a you know, effort for, and either juicing or smoothing or whatever it is that we feel like we need to do. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna get there, you know. I mean, life has just been very weird. Whatever schedules we used to have just completely were gone this last year, and for somebody who really likes schedules, it's really hard to kind of get back in the saddle on things. And I know that sounds weird. You would think I would crave it, but and I do, but being so sick in the last couple of months, I have allowed myself some time off to rest. And you don't know how tired you are until you slow down, and all of a sudden you're just like, wow, I was really tired. So anyways, okay, I'm going to move this out of the way because I think we're getting a glare, and I'm going to take a real quick sip. It sounds terrible, but it has like a little top at the this is a neat jar. The paint came off immediately. It was from the Christian bookstore, and it's glass. And this can come off, and this can come off. But when this comes off, it's like a little bitty thing, so it always just sounds terrible when you drink. But it's okay. So I'm going to do some really quick and easy things. So Monday, we will eat out because we'll be at Bible study. Tuesday, and then Wednesday, we're going to eat out because we will be at the movie. And we will probably have some kind of a snack out, too. And then, so Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm going to do beans here because I'm going to be really busy. Do a crock pot of beans. And then over here, I've got some field roast sausage, which is a vegan sausage. And I think it is apple. I can't remember. Anyways, I'm going to do field roast sausage with apples and onions. I love that over brown rice. I put over brown rice. And this will be over. And then I'll come back in and start filling in some of the other things. So Friday night is going to be black bean, cilantro, onion, tomato, garlic dip. And we serve that with baked corn chips, so corn chips. And I really like the baked ones. I get them at Sam's. They're so good. They're the blue, and oh my gosh, they're so good. I used to make my own. I got to get back to that because I don't like all the salt. And then Saturday, it's going to be leftovers. Whatever is left over in the house. And then here, we're going to eat out. Alright, guys. Yeah, I think that's great. I think we've got it all figured out. As far as the evenings, I will do oats here. And they're not really oats. They're crock pot oats, but they're like muesli. And then I just got a whole bunch of stuff on clearance at Natural Grocer. So it's like rolled kamut, and wheat grain, and it's all rolled, like rolled oats. And so I'm going to try those because they were like 90 cents for a bag, and you know, you can't beat that. So, but I am going to put oats here, and then I'm going to put what I call oats here. Let me see. And then what I call oats here. And I know that seems like a lot, but I just do a little bit each day. And I'm starting to get my amount down and down and down where it's the perfect amount for us as a family. And I literally put out a paper bowl, plastic spoon, and I put all the nuts and seeds in the bottom of it, and ground flaxseed or chia or whatever we're using. And then my husband puts it on top. I leave out if he wants to add like maple syrup or honey or whatever. I don't usually. I cook it with a little bit of something sweet, whether it be agave or, raw honey or gray beet syrup. And then I also add vanilla to it. We like the vanilla. And in the muesli, I really like it because it has all the, like raisins and nuts and seeds and all kinds of good stuff. So I will add probably cran raisins in every batch. So, and then we'll top with nuts and seeds. And if I have, oops, sorry guys, if I have old bananas, and I do have bananas, so I'm going to make this banana cinnamon, or banana nut with cinnamon. And this will be cran raisins and nuts and seeds. Raisins, sorry, and nuts and seeds. Okay, and then here it will be, I don't know, probably cran raisins again. Cran raisins and nuts, seeds, and blueberries. And then I always top, sometimes I top with frozen blueberries. So frozen blueberries. I love that. I could eat that every day. And I could put walnuts and blueberries on top. that just floats my boat. And then on Saturday, we're probably going to do like leftovers for breakfast. So like if I have potatoes that I've cooked ahead, then I save the leftover potatoes and I make like a veggie hash. So I add peppers, mushrooms, onions, minced garlic, and I cook that all up, and oh, it's so good. It makes my mouth water thinking about it. If I'm really good, I use faux cheese. If I'm really bad, I add real sharp cheddar cheese. So I will do the potato hash. I don't know if that's what it is, but that's just what is that spelled right? P-A-T-O? I don't know. Is it P-A-T-O? Could be. You'd think I'd have a rule for that. But anyways, potato hash with some kind of a cheese. I'm going to put that question mark. And then on that morning, we're going to eat out. I know for sure. And then lunch here is probably going to be that, but we'll have leftovers for that. And then for that night, and I did want to make a big pot of spaghetti sauce, but I may do that here. We'll see. We either eat out or have spaghetti sauce, because I am going to make it once and we're going to eat off it all week. So I do like spaghetti sauce and noodles. I do spaghetti sauce over like veggies. I know that sounds weird because my spaghetti sauce is tons of vegetables. I love it on top of like tomatoes and stuff with a little of my homemade pesto. I know. And then I also do like homemade pizza with it, or French bread pizza with it, or I just think of, and then I can do like if I have extra noodles, I'll do a spaghetti bake. So so it's almost like a lasagna, but I think of like 10 different ways to serve one big thing of spaghetti sauce. Because if I do it, I make it in my Dutch oven, and we're done. So okay. Now for my lunches, I did pick up some Asian noodles, so I'm going to put that there. We'll have Asian noodles with nuts. And then I'm going to do Thai tofu. Oh, I'm going to eat out that day. What am I thinking? I'm eating a friend. So there's that out. And this is going to be beans and rice. Brown rice, which will be brown rice. Yep, and green onions. There's no reason why some things I abbreviate, some things I don't. So this is going to be Thai tofu. I love Thai tofu. That's one of my favorite all-time things. And if I have it here, I may have it here. But I think I'm going to do, stuffed peppers here. So I'll do I love the sweet pepper stuffed with other veggies and faux cheese, real cheese, whichever we're going, stuffed peppers. And I use nuts, and oh, it's so good. Like if you chop your pecans and your walnuts down, you can almost have like a faux meat. I might do lentil tacos here because those don't take long at all. And I love lentil tacos. And you could even cook lentils and stuff those peppers. I need to try that because that might be really, really good. And I literally, on these stuffed peppers, I do minced garlic, onions, mushrooms, whatever's left of the pepper I'll chop up and put in it. Whatever I can have for like a protein, so whether it's nuts or seeds, I don't really do seeds, but nuts or like lentils or faux meat, like faux beef, I will do that here, and I mean, I could eat that all day long. I could literally eat it from breakfast to dinner and be totally happy. So it's one of my all-time favorite things. So for my water, I'm going to want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to do my AM and my PM bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then AM and PM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, AM and PM. Whoops, doesn't look like a P. Okay, and then here we are. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, AM, PM. I am almost done here, guys. Whoops, I did PP instead of PM. It's the end of the day. I'm getting tired. It's already getting dark out there. My poor husband, he's out there at least. Well, they're probably having mosquito problems, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 AM and PM. And yeah, that's it. I am done. I mean, and on the days that I don't have something planned for breakfast, I don't know, I have some, like, what I'll do is I'll eat up on my soy yogurts and my chia seeds, chia puddings, but, and I usually top those with all kinds of good things, like nuts, seeds, frozen fruit, you know, cran raisins, fresh fruit. Love fresh fruit on it. So anyways, and we have lots and lots of fruit. We have tons of grapes we need to juice, and yeah, we've got a lot of stuff we're going to get done. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This is how I meal plan. So this is my vegetarian going vegan. We're getting there. We're not there all the way yet, but we're getting there. And I hope you like this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you are vegetarian going vegan, or if you are a meat eater going vegetarian, or you are making a change in your diet, leave a comment or email me at JosephinesDesignscom at gmail.com, and let's pray for each other. I will pray for you. I would love for you to pray for me. I mean, I really have to get this under control. I'm sure it's not helping my health right now, and so I need to make sure that what I'm doing, I'm not doing too much soy, I'm not doing too much of anything. I mean, you can eat too many carbs, you can eat too much protein, you can eat too much, you know, fat, all of that. So, but I would really appreciate it if you would pray for me, and I'll pray for y'all, and anybody who wants to join in, we can even make like a prayer group out of it, anybody and everybody. And if you leave your information in the comments and you're okay with that, and you don't go by your real name, like, you know, if you're, I don't know, Josephine's Designs, and you want to be called JD, that'll work, you know. We'll just, you know, put what you want us to pray for, and then put JD afterwards, and that way we'll know what we can pray for you by name. And or if you just want us to pray for you by your handle name for YouTube, that's fine too. But anyways, but I would love to pray for y'all. I already do, but I'd love to pray more specifically. Alright guys, well, most importantly, thank you so much for stopping by. Like, subscribe, join in. We'd love to have you with us. Hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come up. And yeah, thanks guys. I hope that your day is so very blessed and incredibly creative and lovely. And I just thank you guys so much, so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.